I think very clearly will be, the token first, utility later type of mindset is just not, it's not going to work anymore.
Yeah, I think there's two examples, right? Like one is Hyperliquid that we talked about before, Val, building out the whole product first, getting traction, and then the token. And I think the other one is Pumped Up Fund. Although it's about memes, like they didn't start with a token and then build it. They built the business, the hype first. And although the launch might not have been as successful, they were still a multi-million-dollar market cap product or project, and they couldn't have done that if they launched the project first, like the token first, and then the business. I mean, we see that more and more, and then equity investment is a thing, right? I think that's something we're seeing as well. Like more and more projects are trying to get like equity investment in, trying to build real business, and I think that's a good sign of maturity as well, to be fair. And that doesn't mean they can never introduce a token, but will just come later. Do an equity investment first, build enough traction, a good business behind it, and then a token should support it and make the business only better. But even without it, it should be able to survive. We're all relying on speculation. The moment that goes away, everyone will have a hard time in crypto, I guess. So yes, that's a big domino piece that if it falls, it will have an effect on everyone in the space. That's to be fair, where bull and bear markets come from, is just the amount of speculation in the space. And a big factor in that was Corona times, where everyone got free money and started to put it in crypto, or where interest rates are being cut again, more money to be cheaper money, which means more inflow into risky assets.
Funding via token is essentially an equity-backed loan. And I think whoever understands this internally in their company would have a level of success compared to if you don't really understand it. I think a lot of projects they have a very firm belief that selling tokens actually means profit, and this is the way to fund the company and all the operations, but it's actually equity-backed loan. This is a loan that you will have to repay. And I think this is a very big misconception in the space. I'm talking about long-tail altcoins. I think when it comes to Bitcoin, I think where we currently are in terms of price is going to establish a support level. So hopefully we get to new all-time highs, or at least this is what your financial analysts are predicting. The way we're seeing it, there's a very, very clear rotation into altcoin due to Ethereum. So we predict that this is going to continue into a full-blown out season. There's going to be institutional flows into some layer ones, such as Solana or Sui, and I think there's going to be quite a bit of filtering when it comes to AI tokens. Currently, most of them have no real utility. Some of them have like a great one, such as DAO, and it's essentially survival of the fittest.